Lahat ng mga sakit, heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, we all need this three discipline: proper nutrition, fasting, active lifestyle. They will decrease lahat ng mga, lalo na yung mga obese, tend to lose weight pag kinumpleto nyo yung mga discipline na yan. Kung kailangan nyo ng consultation, message me, drop a message at my page, Dr. Brian Aubrey Castillo, for those who need guidance and monitoring. Of course, mag-message lang po kayo. Ang mahalaga dito, open-minded kayo, right mindset. Set a goal, huwag lang set. Kailangang implement, take action of your health. Your health, your responsibility. We adapt, we will definitely evolve. Bye!